Fab Heavy Parts sent us running boards for Jeep Gladiator. Would imagine that is all the hardware. Oh, those are nice. Here is all the hardware. These are side specific. Even the running boards themselves are marked. I don't think they would match. The holes probably wouldn't match up. I don't know. That being said, our holes do not match up. See, this is the new running board, and you can see the bracket is going to go here. This is up a little ways, but these are going to go to this right here. This one will go to this area right here, and we do think those will line up. However, there's two centers, but they're not in the middle. They're to the edges. Ours is right here. And you have to mount up underneath.
Now see, here is the mounting point right there. There's 3 of those, and that's what the main supports is. There's no other ones for that, the 2 in the middle.
We have no idea if that is a Mojave thing or is it just a Gladiator thing. So if you're buying these for a Gladiator, just know you're probably not going to be able to use a middle support, or there's a possibility, unless they're different and it's different for each trim level. We're going to install these, and we are going to use just the ends. We're going to see how sturdy that makes it. We kind of think it'll be okay, but we are going to have to just check and see. Since we took our old one off, we've kind of decided that it would be so much easier to go ahead and mount the brackets to the holes that we're going to use, and then use some jack stands, hold it up, and mount it to the Jeep, rather than bracket piece, blah blah blah.
We learned that the first one.
He's going to get started on mounting those to the ends, and the brackets are end specific too, because they're not specifically marked that way, but they do show it in the instructions. There's a picture that the bracket actually faces this way on this one, and then on those it all faces that way.
It's just basic stuff here.
According to the instructions, and even the instructions on the ones that we have had on here, you are supposed to put the bracket on the vehicle first, but as we said, we kind of thought it would be easier to just go ahead and put it on the bars and then attach it to. You're not going to tighten these down until after
everything will be finger tight until we get it all set, and then I'll crank it down.
Okay.
Probably lift that end up. We'll put it on I'm going to line this up, about where it needs to be. Then we'll put it on the jack.
Okay, well, hold up. There we go. Okay. So they can kind of see where it has to attach.
There's a pedestal, factory pedestal right there.
Hold up. Oh, hold up. My fingers. Let me see if I get this front one first. Get my fingers to cooperate. There we go. Now there's this little adjustment one under here that he's got to tighten down on both. And then he's got to tighten the bolts on the actual bark. But I think they look pretty good, and measuring front step to, I've still got the old one on the other side. I'm actually gaining about 1 inch of clearance on these. And they hug a little closer to the body than those barricade ones I had on, and I like that. That one is installed, right?
Yep, it is done.
All right, we are going to do the exact same thing that we did on this one on the opposite side, using the pieces marked passenger side. We're not going to bother to video that for you because it's redundant. We will finish this up. You going to test it?
I'm going to test it.
Had a little bit of a wiggle, but
yeah,
not
but
bad.
I mean, I'm about 210, so, and I was putting unnecessary force on it.
Yeah.
So
We are going to finish installing these, and then we're going to take this thing out and we're going to show you using these in the pretty countryside or something. Overall, I think we are going to like these Fab Heavy Parts step bars. They seem to be extremely sturdy, and they set up high enough to not kill all of our ground clearance. They're actually higher than the ones that we had on here before. They weren't extremely difficult to install. I think they should last us a pretty good long time. I'm going to put a link in the description below, and you can go over and check out these specific ones that we have on our Jeep Gladiator. But there are also other applications for different vehicle models. So if you have a different truck, you may be able to grab a set for yourself. If you do get some, come on back here and comment below and let us know what you think of these Fab Heavy Part step bars. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.